In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a comment in Jira. Navigating through Jira and utilizing its features effectively can significantly boost your project management efficiency. Today, we're zeroing in on a specific, yet incredibly useful aspect of Jira, linking directly to a comment. This can be immensely helpful when you need to direct team members' attention to specific discussions or updates within an issue. So, let's dive in. Let's begin by logging into your Jira account. You'll start on the landing page known as Your Work in Jira. This page is essentially your command center, providing a quick glance at tasks requiring your attention and the ones you've recently worked on. If you're not immediately directed there, you can easily navigate to this page by selecting Your Work from the main menu. Once there, your next step is to dive into the specific project you're working on. Projects in Jira are where all the action happens. They're the containers for tasks, known as issues, your team is tackling. To find your project, look for the Projects tab at the top of the page. Clicking on it will unfold a drop-down menu displaying all the projects you have access to. Select the project relevant to the comment you wish to link. After selecting your project, you should find yourself on the Project dashboard. This dashboard gives you an overview of everything happening within the project. To get to the specifics, you'll need to dive into the Issues section. Issues are the heart of any project in Jira, housing all the tasks, bugs, stories, and more that your team is working on. To locate an issue, click on the Issues and Filters drop-down in the sidebar. This will reveal a list of options to narrow down your search. You can either browse through the list of all issues, or use the search feature to quickly find the one you need. Once you've found the issue you're looking for, click on it to open its detailed view. Now, to add your comment, scroll down to the comment section at the bottom of the issues page. You'll see a text box prompting you to add a comment. Click into this box and type away. Be as descriptive and helpful as possible. Comments are a great way to communicate updates, ask questions, or provide clarifications to your team members. After typing your comment, you might notice a logo link, usually represented by a chain link icon or similar, depending on your interface customization. This icon is your ticket to creating a direct link to your comment. Clicking on it will either immediately copy the link to your clipboard or provide you with an option to copy the link. But wait, before you go pasting this link anywhere, there's one more crucial step: saving your comment. It might seem obvious, but in the hustle of coordinating projects, it's easy to miss. Make sure you hit the save button after you've added your comment. Only after saving will your comment be officially posted and the link active. Armed with your comment link, you can now easily share it with your team. Paste it into emails, Slack messages, or wherever your team communicates. This direct link cuts through the clutter of navigating through issues and comments, bringing your team's focus exactly where it's needed. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always ensure that the person you're sharing the comment link with has access to the Jira project. Links to comments won't bypass project permissions. Use this feature to highlight important updates, ask for feedback on specific items, or ensure visibility on critical issues. Remember, effective communication is key in project management. Direct links to comments are just one of many tools Jira offers to help streamline your team's communication. That's a wrap on how to link to a comment in Jira. It's a simple process, but it can greatly enhance how your team navigates and communicates within Jira. Keep experimenting with Jira's features to find the best ways to work efficiently and keep your projects moving forward smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tutorials like this.